New to TikTok and want to sign up? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok account in only 2 minutes. Now let's get started. To create a TikTok account, first open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon in the bottom menu. Then tap Sign Up. Choose how you want to sign up. You can create an account with your email or phone number, or your Facebook, Apple, or Google account. Create a password for your account. Then tap Next. Enter your birth date. Then tap Next. Enter a nickname for your profile if you like. This will be your display name at the top of your profile and the name displayed when people watch your videos. Then tap Confirm. Your TikTok account will then be created. You can customize your username and other aspects of your profile by tapping Edit on the profile page. That's all it takes to create a TikTok account. To learn how to use TikTok, check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.